Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Let's begin the video. First stock I gave you to sell was Hindalco and level was at 470 rupees. So this is the daily chart. As we can see, the bearish breakout did not happen. Hence, I am going to write in result box did not hit entry level. Second stock was Sudarshan Chemicals and the level to sell was at 672 rupees. Again, I will go to Sudarshan. Yes, the breakout did happen. Let me go to 5 minutes chart 672. It seems like a lot of candles on that level. So the breakout happened somewhere here, 72, and our SL was 74. So 72 here, 73, again 70.30, which means our SL got hit. SL hit. Third stock was Cigniti Technologies and buying level was at 632 rupees. Again, we'll go to Cigniti 634. Yes, the breakout did happen once again. Let me go to daily chart. Where is that entry? 634. 632, sorry. Somewhere here. 631. So here, this particular candle, 634. So 634, 635 again, then the price came at. So only one target is hit. One target hit. Last stock was Zensar Technology. Buying level was at 511 rupees. So this is, it seems that nothing happened over here. No, nothing happened. Today was a quiet day in the stock. Talking about stock number 1 for tomorrow's session, I have Sun Pharma, and this particular stock is primed for a breakout at 839 rupees. So first time price came closer to this level around this rally, but it was not exactly at the level because sellers came in and pushed the price lower. So technically this becomes the first two candles where price was at breakout level. Then here, and this is the most important thing, I will draw a horizontal line. So this was a previous resistance level. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts, and this was the attempt from which the breakout happened, and currently price is taking support at that level, which means stock is in uptrend. It is riding on decent buying, and as a result this is a higher highs higher lows pattern. Not all the candles are in this particular pattern, but the picture is, it seems that every single day new high is being made. So this particular buying should lead to a breakout above 839, and the breakout can go as high as 870. So tomorrow I am looking at a huge day in Sun Pharma, and the breakout can happen in first 2 minutes. So I would highly advise each and everyone to please use pre-market order. Hence, you won't be able to miss the momentum, because as soon as bells opening bell rings and you then try to place the order, it might happen that the breakout can happen and price within 1 or 2 minutes, price can go north of 950. Then you missed an easy opportunity to trade. Second stock is Bharat Petroleum. On 4 hours chart, this is a bullish breakout level above 455 rupees. Looking at the price action, you can find a higher highs, higher lows. So this was a previous high. As you can see, this particular rally almost matched previous high. But again, the low is elevated from 415 to 430. Once again, another rally, another low. The high is higher than previous high and low is also higher than previous low. And currently price is trading in and around the breakout level. Volume is also great. So all the things are pointing towards a breakout. What about target? For that I have to zoom out. Now I am going to connect highs and lows of multiple candles scattered over a chart, and I have arrived on an ultimate target of 467 rupees. So that's a decent target in Bharat Petroleum. Third stock that we are going to trade in tomorrow's session is Marico Limited. For time being, please forget about this long range and long wick bullish candle. This is one candle, not one candle, one line, and this is a second line. So combination of these two lines has formed a channel pattern. Now I am going to draw one more horizontal line, and this particular horizontal line is drawn at a breakout level which is 572 and above that. So all the things here are pointing towards a breakout, because if you look previously, there are so many candles on a breakout level. There was no rally. See here, but here there is a rally. Buying has started from 540 and buyers are slowly growing into confidence. The volume is quite constant, which means that there is bit of danger from sellers, and buyers have recognized that. Hence, you can see this long range bearish candle. But after formation of this long range bearish candle, we can see again buyers buying it. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Bharat Forge, and this is a breakout level at 797 rupees. As you can see, this particular level has been tested multiple times. One time here, second time here, third time, fourth time, and currently fifth time. Out of all the rallies, current rally towards the breakout level looks the strongest. It has higher highs, higher low pattern along with long range bullish candles and increasing volume activity. So it seems that buyers are on their way to take the stock price above the round number of 800 rupees, and if that does happen, we can see a high in the vicinity of 815 or so. These are the levels I am going to trade in all the aforementioned stocks. Make sure that you do not put more than 1 or 2% of your total trading capital as a stop loss. I'm going to share a screenshot in my Telegram channel as well. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care of yourself.